After the last couple of years, I thought it was a good time to apply for the creative associate role. I saw it come up and I was like, what? You know, this sounds ideal for me at the time. Felt like the stars just aligned for me personally, because the fact that I was able to develop my own practice in my own time, as well as work with the team here at WMC, you know, that was just the ideal situation for me as an artist. It's a 2-year role. It's been great. It's been productive. Last year, I did a pilot session in Pennygraig and Valley's Kids. Managed to develop that into a sort of 6-week project where I've been back and forth there working with the most adorable youngsters, and we've worked on a song and recorded it, and most of them have never actually, you know, written a lyric in their life, and it's just been great seeing them develop. In 2021, I also helped curate a stage at the Western Studio. It was a good 6-7 hours of live performances from artists across Wales, from artists starting out in their career to artists at the peak of their career, which was great having all of them in one room, and it was great to have that sort of young and older, you know, balance in the room. It was vibrant. It's a two-way relationship, really. One, the artist gets to develop their practice, gets to integrate themselves into the blueprint of this building. Two, WMC get to work with various artists and creators from different backgrounds and walks of life and ethnicities.